In this video, I'm going to tell you 7 smart decorating ideas for you to do in your home, spending very little and still making it look great. Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Edipo, the architect, and grab a pen and paper because this video is really cool. Whether you're about to renovate, already renovating, or building your house, these tips I'm going to share with you are really worth it, and they'll even help you save money. First, guys, keep a color palette for painting your house both inside and outside. What I want you to understand when I talk about a color palette, okay? Think with me. Imagine that you chose a palette in beige tones to paint your house inside. You put some confetti paper in the living room, you put some Egyptian cotton in the bedroom. This is a color palette that matches, that has harmony among them. Then you went there and put a chalet color in the living room on the television wall, which is a shade of beige brown. Let's say a bit darker. So this creates a harmony in your home's decor and adds value to your property, enhances your home's decoration. When you work with color harmony both inside and outside, there's no point in choosing a good color palette, beautiful colors to paint your house inside and forgetting about the outside area, okay? We need to have this color harmony, so value it. Follow a color palette line, okay? You want to paint your house, including the interior, walls, and exterior facades, right? A smoother ceiling, and then are you going to decorate your ceiling with spotlights, tracks, or central light fixtures? That decoration full of details that we used to see in the past, right? Light strips, plaster islands, illuminated curtain rods. Illuminated curtain rods are pretty cool, right? A LED profile that has a lot of accessories, a lot of details. It's already, I tell you, it's not that it's out of fashion, that's not it. It's a beautiful decoration. I really enjoy plaster decorations and even have them at home. However, when you have a smoother, cleaner ceiling and then you work with LED profiles, with spotlights, with central fixtures, you will enhance the rooms in your house. You will bring a lightness to the lighting, to the ceiling of your house, to your environment, okay? Compared to making an island, a cutout, and leaving, Cutting the ceiling to create these decorations, okay. One here or there, a small corner, sure. In a hallway or access area, you add a thin strip of light, right? A plaster island, maybe in a dining room. It works well, it looks really nice, but try leaving the ceiling smooth, okay? Just use the ceiling and work with spotlights to decorate a wall, decorate a room. Use a central light fixture in your television room. Use a beautiful chandelier in your dining room, okay? So my tip is, instead of just putting in a plaster island, a light strip, suddenly you go there and create an illuminated curtain rod. Then you begin adding elements to your living room and house. Soon you end up cluttering the spaces too much and end up taking away the lightness, taking away the softness of your ceiling. So always try to keep it cleaner, softer. Check out this item here, guys. I'll let the video speak for itself. It's a wall-mounted clothesline that doesn't even look like one. I posted it for you guys on our Instagram and also on our TikTok and all our social media, right? This product here, look. The wall-mounted clothesline, when it's closed, it doesn't even look like a clothesline, okay? It went viral. A lot of people were asking me, Adipo, where do you buy this clothesline? What sizes does it come in? Is there a 1 meter one, a 60 centimeter one, an 80 centimeter one? Guys, think about a product that's gonna make your life easier and really add value to your laundry room, your service area. Why? Think with me. You're there, you washed your clothes, everything went well and all that. Are you going to put them on a clothesline, that ceiling-mounted clothesline, or that floor-standing one? Try switching to this wall-mounted clothesline I'm showing you here. Look, you open it, you put your clothes there, right? There are 4 or 5 rods there for you to hang your clothes, and they come in various sizes, okay? It's not just 60 or 70 centimeters. Some reach up to 1 meter and 20 centimeters, and installing it is very easy. Edipo, I'm not using it. We're only doing laundry on the weekend, so everything's still in the basket. Is the clothesline staying here bothering me? No. You close the clothesline. It looks like there's not even a clothesline on your wall, okay? I know you're going to ask me, Edipo, where do I buy this product? The link is down here in the description of this video. I'll leave it here for you, along with where we bought it and my recommendation on where to buy. Various sizes, colors too, black, white, gray. The link is down here in the description. television wall in your living room without a panel. That's right. You need to run a conduit to hide the wires first, okay? Don't forget that. Let's add value to your house. Let's add value to your living room now with this simple tip I'm going to share with you here. You don't need to have a panel on your television wall. You don't need to fill your television wall with decorations. Just a low television stand for devices with drawers and shelves. And just leave your television in the center of your wall, all right? Or according to where your couch is. That's right, like I said, you need to run a conduit behind your television down to the low cabinet to run cables, HDMI, power outlets, those things. But there's no need for you to put up a panel, okay? It makes it much lighter, really enhances your living room, gives it that clean look, you know? You see your living room with only your television and a low television stand. There's not that panel full of stuff. It feels light, smooth, it really adds value. Guys, think with me. A panel, whether it's made of wood, plaster, or any material, is it really nice? But try leaving it out and see how much it will enhance your house. Use a profile instead of thresholds or strips at the divisions of your floors. I won't discuss thresholds since we no longer use them inside, okay? This here, it's something I've already talked about a lot here in our videos on the channel about the use of thresholds, which we don't use inside anymore. Trim, a thinner mini threshold, can be used in places like bathrooms or between the kitchen and laundry room. Yes, in some situations it fits and looks good. Now, the profile used to separate floors, especially from the living room to the bathroom, from the living room to the bedrooms and so on, is really nice. It's a very interesting look, and I even dare to say to you that when it comes to dividing spaces, like with floors, think about it with me. The kitchen has porcelain tiles, the living room has vinyl flooring. No need for a threshold, profile, or trim. If you want to separate the two types of flooring, you can add a small aluminum profile at the division, matching the color to one of them. Or maybe use a different color to make it stand out. Skip thresholds indoors. Use trim only in some cases. Now, if you want to use a divider, use the profile and you won't regret it. 2 adapted showers. Check out this idea here. Amazing. You have a big bathroom but only 1 shower. Look how cool this is. So do you want 2 showers? You husband, you wife, want 2 showers there to take a shower together. Have some fun, but you only have 1. Will you really tear down walls or the ceiling and completely renovate your bathroom just to install 2 wall or ceiling showers? No. This idea I'm showing you here is an adaptation through pipes, right? Aluminum ones. So you can connect one shower to the other. That will solve this problem. Pay attention, okay? I know you guys are going to comment. I'm keeping an eye on you in the comments, all right? A lot of people are going to say, oh, but the water pressure will drop. I agree. When you have more points, more water outlets, right? If you open more outlets from the same supply, everything gets weaker because they're sharing power, right? But if you already have a good flow, if you already have good water pressure in your house, and you want to have 2 showers without breaking anything, just by buying the product here, making the adaptation there, installing it, you have 2 showers in your large bathroom, whether you live in an apartment or a house. This idea is for you. No need to break anything, just adapt it. All right. Smart furniture for your kitchen countertop. I wanted to discuss this one with you very carefully. You might even tell me that what I just showed you isn't common. Oedipas. We're not used to this. It's not part of our culture or common in Brazilian kitchens. I agree with you. But what if there's a project or a situation where you need an extra countertop in your kitchen? And suddenly, your kitchen is even small, it's narrower, or your kitchen is really big, right? And at some point, you need an extra countertop. This idea I'm showing you in the video is for you. Make a countertop there, hidden away. It's true that you'll lose a little bit of cabinet space. I agree with you about the height because vertically it will only take up a little corner, but in terms of height you'll lose a bit. I agree. But it's just an idea, okay? Like I told you here, these are smart ideas like I said at the beginning of the video. So, if you need it, if you think it's necessary and feasible to put it in your kitchen, this is a good idea. Call your carpenter because I'm sure that instead of making it out of stone, right? A stone countertop would be very hard to make movable like this. A carpenter can make it for less, plus you'll get another countertop option in your kitchen. Just reminding you that some of the items I mentioned here, I'll leave the links for them in the description. For example, the wall-mounted clothesline, right? Which you can use in your laundry room, in your service area. Also the trim that you can use to separate floors, an aluminum trim. I'll leave that for you as well. And the matter of adapting the showers here, which is very interesting. When I brought this item here for you, I did a lot of research and couldn't find it here in Brazil, okay? On Brazilian websites, that is. In general, some product, some item that has a good cost benefit, a good price for me to show you here. I'll leave something here and you might say, Edipo, that's too expensive. But you have to think, well, I want 2 showers, but the cost I'm gonna have to buy this product during a full bathroom renovation is worth it. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to leave the links for you guys to these items down below. I hope you guys enjoyed and liked these smart ideas here for you to adapt to your house, to do in your house or your apartment. If you've made it this far and you're not subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment for me here. Remember, the links are down below in the description. Take care.